Hello everyone, peace of Christ with everybody. This is a video. Muslims are making fun of Jesus Christ for being crucified. Like, where is the God? What happened? And when the God died, like, how God died? Where is the God? Was it the grave? If you believe that's even a human, his spirit don't die and he will be alive. His spirit never die. So, because you are a Muslim, you don't want to use your brain. Consider the God the same as a human. Just a human, not a God even. His body die, his spirit don't. And for us as a Christian, God is a spirit, which means he never die. The body of Christ die, but the God is alive. Hello? So Muslims making fun, using video, making, oh, look, Jesus humiliated, where was the God? Where is the God was, Jesus, Okay, I want to ask you a question. When your prophet was raped, two of his cousins have sex with him and raped him. Where was your God Allah? According to your Quran, your God Allah, right away he jumped in the room of Jesus and he saved him. Imagine how important is Jesus. Now I want to ask you, where was your God when two cousins of Muhammad did rape him? This is Islamic website. Not my website, as you see the name, Biharul Anwar, chapter number 21, Shia.com. This is Shia website. You want to say Shia are not Muslims? Shut up. We are sick of these lies. They are people who worship Allah, and they agree that Muhammad is a prophet, and their book is the Quran. So you shut up. So when the Shia says that Muhammad was raped by two of his cousins, we want to know why Muhammad was raped by his family, if they consider him as a family. This is a story in Bihar al-Anwar. Here we go, in case you want to see the reference. This is page number 103. Let us read together. So this is the page number 103, and those are the reference. You can go to the book of Bihar al-Anwar, and you can see two of the cousins of Muhammad, they came to Muhammad and they asked him to get in to talk to him. And the woman, her name is Salma. She came to the Prophet and she said, Prophet, two of your cousins, one is a son of your uncle and one is the son of your aunt. They want to get in. They want to talk to you. He said, I don't want them. And regarding my cousin, he is the one الذي هتك عرضي, which means he is the one who raped me. He had sex with me. I don't want to go low in the speech because the word might be very harmful if I go in Arabic word and say what هتك عرضي mean. It's a lot more than rape. Because rape is a word you use it only, for doing it to a woman. Now, the cousins of Muhammad, they have sex with Muhammad when and why? What happened exactly? So I challenge Muslims to tell me how and when the cousins of Muhammad did rape him and what Muhammad did about it. Did he rape him back? At what age Muhammad, his cousins was having sex with him? We want to know. And this is this is the book, this is the page number, this is your Islamic website, not my website. And as long you are talking, where is the God of, where is the God, the power of God when Jesus was humiliated? What about you explain to me about Hassan al-Qurmuti taking the black stone, destroying the Kaaba, and using the black stone as a poo room, bathroom stone for more than 40 years, and your God Allah did nothing about it? So I just showed you, your prophet was raped, and Allah never moved. Hassan al-Qurmuti took the black stone, destroyed the Kaaba, Allah never moved. The American AWACS is flying in the top of Mecca. Allah never moved. Where is your God Allah? So this is why we cannot consider your prophet as a prophet of God, because he is a gay, he been raped, and people have sex with him, even his family was doing it to him. This is maybe explain why he is mentally sick and he like to have sex with kids. This is why he did marry Aisha. Jesus is Lord, Islam is false, and Muhammad been raped by his cousins. Amen.